Hi guys, so today I just want to do a video on how you can sort of use biolinks to leverage your lead generation efforts on Clubhouse. So as you may be aware, Clubhouse is kind of a new social media network that's out there, which is kind of focused on kind of influencers and mainly just using audio instead. And what I understand, lead generation is very difficult, and even the link within your profile isn't clickable at all. So effectively, there's no way you can actually get a hyperlink in there. And secondly, as well, as a user of Clubhouse, you don't actually have a profile link. So, but you can send people to event rooms as well. So, nonetheless, Clubhouse can still be used as a good lead generation platform, and essentially, you still need to point people to a place where they can sign up for your hook or offer or lead magnet or whatever it is you want to give away to get them on your list. So essentially, once you're in sort of Biolinks, we'll kind of use an existing project, and we'll create one for all intents and purposes. We'll call it Clubhouse. Okay, so this is kind of a standard Biolinks page, and what we'll do is we'll just customize it real quickly. So welcome, and we'll just put the brief description in here too. Thanks for my page. Check out some of the offers which may be of use to you below. So depending on obviously who you are and what you do, nothing really changed in terms of lead generation, whether it's Clubhouse, Facebook, Twitter, it doesn't really matter. For me, it really comes down to three aspects. One is know your audience, so everything from their pain points, interests, desires, etc. The second point is give an irresistible hook or offer that will solve a small problem. So for me, that could be some content, it could be a discount code, it could be anything to start a relationship. And the third aspect of it is give it to them really easily and quickly, just so you can start the relationship when you want to do it in as fewer steps as possible. So what I'll do is we'll just fill this out here. We'll change the text color to white. And we'll change the background to blue. And then you can add some of the additional bits for branding, so analytics and SEO as well. So one thing we also have put in here sort of recently is obviously you can add links to all your social networks, which I recommend you do, because this way people can connect with you on other platforms, and it's very straightforward to drop it in. We've also added sort of a Clubhouse section as well. So with this one, if you've got a room or an event room, I'd definitely place it here as well. So I'm not going to fill these in for this sort of call today or the video today, but I just wanted to show you the lead generation option here. So when you sort of create a Biolink page, it'll come as a lead generation option standard. So maybe think about kind of what you can give away. So let's say you want to say download our free guide. And we can sort of send the lead somewhere. Change the download. And we'll change the button color to something else, say black. Then we'll click update. So, whoops, I forgot to save this for you. Right, so this is kind of your basic Biolink page, and obviously on mobile it's going to look sort of a lot more different. But when you click on this here, this is actually a great way to capture name, email, phone number. So again, very simple, very quick. You can actually help the potential lead or customer take the next step very quickly, which is good. And you could also sort of zap this to sort of MailChimp or your CRM as well. I think the important thing is you'll notice that by using sort of Biolinks, you'll get your own sort of URL, which I'll admit isn't very sort of custom. So what I recommend you do is add a custom domain. So the custom domain will effectively allow you to assign any Biolinks page a domain of your choosing. And if you create a domain or even subdomain for people on Clubhouse, you can create something which is quite short and memorable, which will then allow you to drop traffic in. So I'm sure when you are kind of using Clubhouse to promote what you have to offer in a non-salesy way, it's important to kind of make reference to what is you're offering, especially if it has value, right? And I don't think anyone will have sort of any issues with that. But to add sort of a custom domain, all you need to do is go to admin, custom domains, click on create, add the domain or subdomain in here. And then if you actually go into wherever you've purchased your domain, so let's say it's GoDaddy or 123reg, just create an A record and point it to this. You may want to reach out to someone who's more technical or someone, your domain registrar to help you do this. And once that's done, you'll be then to kind of use your custom URL to then share your Biolink pages as well. I hope that was useful. One thing you'll find with just to add is you can add sort of more features to your page to make it more sort of stronger. But today I just wanted to show you how very quickly you can create something to generate leads when you're using Clubhouse. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I'm sure I'll speak to you again soon.